Subject and predicate. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. A sentence is made up of two parts, a subject and a predicate. वाक्य शब्दों के वैसे समूह जिनसे पूरा अर्थ निकलता हो उन्हें वाक्य कहते हैं। वाक्य मुख्यतः दो पार्ट होते हैं, सब्जेक्ट और प्रीडिकेट, कर्ता और विधेय। एक एग्जाम्पल को देखते हैं। यहाँ एक कुत्ता सूरज की धूप में लेटा हुआ है। द डॉग इज स्लीपिंग इन द सन। द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस names what or whom the sentence is about. In the sentence, the dog is sleeping in the sun. The word dog is the subject. इसमें word dog subject है. A predicate is a part of a sentence or a clause that tells us about the subject or what the subject does. Let's take the same sentence. The dog is sleeping in the sun. The clause sleeping in the sun is the predicate. Is sleeping in the sun is the predicate. It is dictating what the dog is doing. One way to remember the difference between the two is that the subject will be a noun or a pronoun. The predicate will contain a verb in addition to a possible modifier. एक अंतर दोनों में सब्जेक्ट और प्रीडिकेट में यह है कि सब्जेक्ट के साथ में नाउन या प्रोनाउन होगा या नाउन क्लोज होंगे और प्रीडिकेट में वर्ब या उसके साथ साथ मॉडिफायर होंगे। अब एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं। लुक, कवर एंड राइट एंड चेक के ज़रिए यहाँ बहुत सारे सेंटेंस लिखे हैं। यहाँ पे उसके सामने सब्जेक्ट और प्रीडिकेट भी लिखा हुआ है। जैसे अटीला वॉज द हीरो ऑफ द डे, इसमें अटीला सब्जेक्ट है, वॉज द हीरो ऑफ द डे प्रीडिकेट है। शी वॉज साइलेंट, शी सब्जेक्ट, वॉज साइलेंट प्रीडिकेट। रस्किन बॉन्ड is an Indian author of British descent. Ruskin Bond subject है, is an Indian author of British descent predicate है। Jonna village lies by the side of a beautiful waterfall. Jonna village subject है, lies by the side of the beautiful village predicate। अब यहाँ टेस्ट करते हैं कुछ। Here are some sentences. Pause the video and guess the subject and predicate. He reads. This is very simple. As there are only two words, the subject is he and the predicate is reads. Can you identify the subject and predicate with more words? He reads the book. The subject is still he, but the predicate has some extra words, reads the book. Since it's modifying the subject and contains a verb, it's still serving the same function. Let's practice. Add a predicate of your own to these subjects. The doctor, honesty, the school, jogging, the house. You have to add predicate to these subjects. Add a subject of your own to the predicates. In these sentences, you have to add the subject. Is cold and dry, belongs to you, can perform surgeries, are very friendly and kind. Now, predicates has mainly two parts, verb and object. Verb. A verb is a word that tells us what a person, animal or thing is doing. Verbs shows action, so they are also called as action words. Object. Object is the person or thing which is affected by the action of the verb.
Deafening noise. Excessive loud cheering.
Now see the example. Jafar is reading a book. In this sentence, subject is Jafar, who is performing action. Verb is read, reading, read plusing, as it's telling what subject is doing. Object is book, as it is affected by the action of verb reading.